Hey everyone, and welcome back. On this video, I take you with me as I walk through the Centro Historico, which is the downtown central capital city of El Salvador since the 16th century. I want to start this video today by sharing my experience in the National Theater, which we had the privilege to tour on our visit. I wasn't able to translate our tour, but I have included some important history for you to know. Built between 1911 and 1917, San Salvador's magnificent theater is not only one of the city's principal landmarks, but a national monument and the oldest theater in Central America. Designed by French architect Daniel Bailard, the building is among the capital's most notable works of architecture, with its stately neoclassical facade giving way to lavish French Renaissance interiors, including a grand mural by Salvadorian painter Salvador Carlos Cañas, which was my absolute favorite when I was there. Today, the 650-seat theater remains the heart of the Salvadorian performing arts, hosting an ever-changing schedule of classical concerts, ballet, theater, folk music performance, and art workshops. It was such an honor to view this theater and be in the presence of so much history. So I hope that all of you enjoy the next little bit.
Hey everyone, so we finally made it to El Centro. We just got a tour of the National Theater. Now I think we're gonna go ahead and get some coffee and just walk around. There's a lot to do here. It is the center of El Salvador, so I'm looking forward to showing you everything that we see. Now we're going to head into the main cathedral here. You can see it behind me. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to film, but we'll do my best. we're just in the center part right now, and we're waiting for the lights to go on, but it's already really beautiful here. The National Theater and National Palace is really beautiful. So we're just gonna stand here, maybe wait for the lights behind me to turn on and go get a coffee.